The one thing I will say about the Google Pixel 6 is that it's very, very slippery in the hand. I mean, if you did want to acquire this device and use it as your daily driver, I would highly recommend a case. I think that is also, I think that's an absolute necessity when it comes to this phone. I mean, the design of it is just, it's an absolutely incredible design. I could see, you know, I could see a lot of people having a problem with the protruding camera on the phone. But I mean, it could actually act as, I guess, I don't know who would take a chance. I mean, definitely, I'm going to say 1000%. I wouldn't take this phone out of the house without a case. But yeah, just, I mean, all in all, a really, really nice experience. Great transitions. I mean, I just love how, you know, when you're in an app, from the bottom, you know, the animations from screen to screen are just like really, really good. I mean, searching for different apps, looking through different apps, you can see that the speed is just really, really good. It's a great phone. I like it. I like it a lot.